Hey, Bolo Buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you some big money bolos, and a few of these are going to knock your socks off, totally unexpected, and sold for crazy money. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. These bolos were shared in my Bolo Buddies Facebook group at the top under the announcements featured section. Come on over, share your bolo, and I will feature it in a video just like this. Let's get started with the first big money bolo. It is an MGC model replica submachine gun, Smith & Wesson Police. It's a prop. It is a prop, and you see it has this orange tip that's very important. So I don't even really know exactly if I'm guessing this doesn't work if it's a prop. How crazy is this? I know that you have to have the orange tip on them. So I'm very, very curious as to what the rules are for things like this. I'm guessing if it's a prop, it doesn't work, right, guys? Somebody fill me in on this. Maybe they wrote something. Well, those look like, are those props too? I'm so confused. I'm so confused. What is that for? It's a model gun. Whoa, this is weird, isn't it? Wow. Okay, let's see what they said. Purchased this on eBay last year. Knew it was a great deal at buy it now of 200. Bought it and sat on it for a year. Then saw one mint come up on eBay for 1,200 and it sold in a few days. So I listed mine and started it at 495. It sold for 810. They're model guns from Japan. Were big in the 80s and 90s. Hard to find now and they go high. This particular model is the rarest of the types they had. So he bought it on eBay and sold it on eBay. I just want more details of what exactly a prop is. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments. Now, this is not a big money bolo, but I will tell you that some kids' clothes can go for a lot of money. Barney's real popular right now. I'm trying to think of what some of the other ones are. Barney, I feel like there was another cartoon that's trending right now. Dora, Barney and Dora. I've seen a lot of those going for big money, but this is just Gymboree. Y2K is a great word if it's from the 90s. 90s to 2000, put Y2K in there. Found a bunch of vintage kids' clothes at the Goodwill bins based on cost of trip, paid about 42 cents each. Sold same day. They all sold, okay, hold on a minute. They all sold same day as listing for 245 total. Oh, goodness. They gave me a whole bunch of them. And I only pulled up this one. Shucks. Okay, let me see if I can figure this out here. So, you guys, please in the future share separate links. It's much easier for me to share that way. Sometimes I don't see it when it's all one. So I'm going to show you guys this one. I'm hoping you're going to be able to see this. These sold for 40, and it says that they are vintage Gymboree. So this is another vintage Gymboree. Let me show you the next one. Sorry, guys, this isn't how I normally do it, but I want to show you these. Here's another one, Gymboree shorts. Another 40 bucks. This is crazy. This is crazy. All right. This is another pair, Gymboree shorts, 50 bucks. Can you guys believe this? This is crazy. Gymboree tank, $30. So I'm guessing maybe the same buyer bought all of them. What is the deal with Gymboree? $40 for this tank. What? Oh my goodness, this is crazy. And 25 for just the plain orange Gymboree. I got to tell you, that's quite shocking. You can find me on eBay and Facebook as Thrift Life SC. Well, thank you for the tip on that, because who would have thought? And again, those things you can usually pick up pretty cheap at the bins and different places. Oh, we'll come back to that one. Bought at the bins for $1.89 a pound. Usually pass on Care Bears, but looked new and had tags. So research, couldn't find any. Listed it and took a chance. Listed high, sold within 24 hours. And this one sold for $149.99, and it's from 2005. So it's not super, super old. Okay, you got to love this one. Totally unexpected. Knock your socks off. Found this 1990s sealed tin of Bonnie Bell lip gloss. In my research, I could not find this version, BFF Anywhere. There were comps for a version labeled Pep House for 150. Maybe mine was rare, so did a 7-day auction starting at 200. Received one inquiry if I would take less, but told them I would let the auction run till end. On last day, I got my starting bid of 200. Was hoping for more, but not a bad flip. Definitely a BOLO. Pick up anything you find sealed. Random acts of thrifting on eBay. You guys, can you believe it? $200 for some lip smacker. Lip smacker. This graduation PhD gown. Bought this for $3 and came with a hood. Sold it yesterday for 20 over. Okay. What? Oh, the hood, the whole the hood and collar sold it yesterday for 20. So over 100 profit. Wow. Very cool. All right. The next item, golf bag, paid $12 at a now out of business thrift store, sold for $149.99 plus shipping. This here is a pair of Ariat tear-on pull-on boots. Paid up at 25 at a yard sale and sold them for 120. First time posting, been stalking a while. I am Cape Fear 13 trading on multiple platforms. I've been selling a few decades, just got more serious about it in the past couple years. I'm sure it goes without saying, Burberry is a classic BOLO. The t-shirt I found at the Goodwill at the end of a dress rack, paid $4.50, took an offer of $115. The blazer was $5, fill a bag, took an offer of $225. I cannot believe you got that in fill a bag. Wow, both sold on Poshmark. Yeah, Burberry is definitely a BOLO. Nice grabs. Thank you. Sports snapback. Got it at a yard sale for $1. Last fall, had it listed for $500. Decided to take an offer of $300. Sold through eBay Global Shipping Program. eBay stores is Carla's Fresh Thrift Finds. Yeah, some of those old vintage hats. And if you guys are looking for hats, over on Whatnot, Deal Master Kim sells a lot. She has hat shows that are vintage hats. I was watching one day, and it must have been a big money BOLO because she didn't have a whole lot of people there. She's just started selling, and it went for crazy money. I want to say it went for like, I don't know. I don't remember, but it did really well. But with what it sold for, I'm guessing it was worth much, much more. So check out Deal Master Kim on Whatnot. If you're not on Whatnot, I do have a referral link down below where you can get $15 to shop if you use that to join. And I'm Bolo Buddies over there, so come see me. And that is my referral link. Found this at a Savers December of 2024. It was 50% off, so $1.99. I looked it up in store using eBay sold, saw the comps, and smiled as I put it in my cart. Listed for $44 and forgot about it. And took a best offer of $35. Yeah. Easy to list, easy to ship, easy to find. There it is. Cali Girl Treasure. Here we go. Howdy, Courtney. Me again. Here's this pink one that I sold. It is an antique oyster plates for $145. Awesome sale. Awesome, awesome. These took forever to sell. I don't know why. I thought they were going to sell very quickly, but they did not. But I did sell them for $41.44, and I got them at a garage sale for 25 cents. Looking at it now, I'm wondering if I should have listed these individually because they are just absolutely fabulous bobby pins. I just love them. Made an offer on all 6. So I went ahead and took their offer of $54 for all 6 of them. Buyer was all in for $63.43, and I got these at the Goodwill bins. I just thought they were kind of cool and thought I would try it. So there you go. Selling these over and over and over again. You can see I have sold 18 of these, and I still have 7 left. Bought them in a bulk buy at an estate sale. Pennies into this. Sold all of them, 4 sets for $32 to one buyer, all in for $39.41. So just put the number and lot them up in small lots, do a multi-quantity. It's great. It's just great. And you can see I've got a coupon going on as well. Picked up 3 of these at an estate sale, and they all did really, really well. I want to say almost $100, like $99, $119. This one went for $119.99. The first one I sold, it was not broken and cracked like some of these, and I think it went for $99 on auction. So I listed this one higher. and it sold for more broken. And I think I had about $5 in this at an estate sale. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.